Namaste, I am Barsha, your Nepali language tutor. Today, let's learn consonant. We have 36 consonants in Nepali alphabets and I will give you some phonics to remember the sound, and I will also show you some position in our neck to create the sound, which will help you to make the differentiation between the different sounds. So let us start learning consonant. Before starting to learn consonant, let's see. Here are 7 lines in the consonant. We will learn the 7 different lines of consonant and I will show you the different position. We have first, second, third, fourth and 5 position we will follow to read the 4 lines shown here. So let's start from ka, ka, ka from the first position, ka, column, ka, column, ka from the second position, ka, kharayo, kharayo, ga from the next position, gamala, gamala, ka is a little hoarse sound. Please make it from here, from between your beauty bones. Khar, nga is a little bit nasal sound, so please produce the sound from your nose. It's a nasal sound. Nga, and remember, we don't have any alphabets starting from nga. So this was our first line. Now let's move to the second line. In second line also we will follow the same first, second, third, fourth and fifth position. The first consonant of the second line is cha, chara, chara, chata, ja from the third position, jahaz, cha from the fourth position, chanda. So this is the flag of Nepal. We say Nepal ko chanda, Nepal ko chanda. Ya from the nasal sound, ya, goru singe ya, goru singe ya. We don't have any words starting from ya, but we use this alphabet in the between or in the end of the some words. Ya, ta. Now the third line is called the palatal sound. So you'll be producing the sound from the palate. Ta, and you will follow the same position first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So ta, top, ta, top, tha, thug, da, damaru, damaru. Tha is again from the fourth sound. Thakani. Ana is again the nasal sound. Ana, tin tharke ana. Tin tharke ana. We also don't have any vocabulary starting from ana, so we will learn this consonant as 3-line alphabet. That is tin tharke ana. Tin tharke ana means the alphabet formed from 3 lines. Now we will move to the next line, the 4th line, that is dental sound. We say this line as a dental sound. So you need to touch your tongue to the teeth to produce the sound. Tarazu, tarazu, thermos, thermos, damkal, thanus, narival. Okay, now here is the reading tips for you guys. That is, we have learned 4 kind of nasal sound. The first line nga, second line ya, third line ana, fourth line na. So second line and third line ya and ana we will learn as na in the vocabulary, when it comes in the word, we don't pronounce as ya or ana. Rather, we will make the na sound. So these are the 4 lines we will be following the different position in our neck. Now let's move to the another line, and remember, from now onwards we won't follow any position, we will make the individual sound. Now the 5th line we will produce from joining the lips. The first one is pa, pa, pareva, pareva, pa, pareva, fa, fa, falful, fa, falful, ba, ba, ball, ba, ball, pa, pa, pagera, pa, pagera, ma, ma, macha, macha. This 5th line was from the lips. Now let's move on to another line. Ya, ya, yakya, ya, yakya, ra, ra, rat, ra, rat, la, la, lasun, la, lasun, wa, wa, wakil, wa, wakil. Remember, many are confused between ba and wa. Whenever wa comes in the beginning of the word, mostly, okay, remember, mostly we pronounce it as ba, but whenever wa is in between or in the end, we read as wa. But there are also some exception case when we make the wa sound when it comes at the beginning, and we will discuss this later on. Wa, wakil. Now there are 3 kind of sa, 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 sa. According to the Nepali pronunciation, we say one is high tone, one is flat tone, one is low tone, but don't be confused. You can produce the same sound. No need to worry about the flat, low and high. Just read it as sa, sa, sa. But remember to read this with the word itself, so that it will help you to remember which sa can be used in which case. So sa, salgam, sa, salgam. Another sa is sa, satkon, sa, satkon. The last one sa is sa, cycle, sa, cycle. Ha, ha, hollow, ha, hollow. Now the 3 last consonant are the merged from 2 consonant sound, that is cha, cha. Cha is merged from cha and ya. Remember, cha and ya becomes cha, cha. Tra, tra, tra. Tra is formed from 2 merged sound, that is ta and ra. So the sound is tra, tra. The final consonant is gya, gya. It is formed by the 3 sound, that is ga and ya, that becomes gya, gya, gya. Now let's read cha, tra, gya with the vocabulary. Cha, cha, chetri, chetri, cha, chetri. Tra, tra, trisul, tra, trisul. Gya, gya, gyani, gya, gyani. Dhanyavad. If you like this video and if this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give likes and subscribe our channel. Thank you.